and today we are going to be talking about the top 10 fastest cars in the world. So, if you can guess what is the fastest car in the world, please let me know in the comments down below. Now, let's get into the video. Top 10 on our list is the SSC Ultimate Aero. The Ultimate Aero is the car that briefly stole the record from the Bugatti Veyron until the Veyron Supersport came to take it back. SSC set its record in 2007 with a twin-turbo version of the car. The Ultimate Aero hit a top speed of 412 km per hour, which is equal to 256 miles per hour, somewhere in the West Richland, and held the record until 2010. They stopped production in 2013 after several limited edition models. While the record car came with 1183 horsepower and 1085 Newton meters of torque, SSC increased power to 1300 horses toward the end of the production. It also switched the original 6.3 liter V8 with a 6.9 liter V8 engine. It can go to 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.7 seconds, and the price is 4 crores 45 lakhs 14,300 rupees, which is $600,000. So you can see the photos there. Okay, now let's go to the next car. Now, number 9 on our list is the Koenigsegg Agera R. The Agera RS may be the fastest of its kind, but the Agera R isn't far behind. Produced from 2011 to 2014, the Agera R featured the company's legendary 5-liter V8 engine capable of up to 1124 horsepower and 1200 Newton meters of torque. The Swedish firm used this car to set a handful of records for production cars in 2011, but these were eventually reset by the Agera RS. Although it didn't set a record for top speed, the Agera R was nearly as fast as the Bugatti Veyron Supersport at 418 km per hour. Price 14 crore 83 lakhs 81,000 rupees, which is $2 million. It can go to 0 to 100 in 2.7 seconds, and in the world only production is 18. Now let's go on. Number 8 on our list, Bugatti Chiron. This is a really famous car everywhere and it's really well known. Introduced in 2016 as a replacement for the Veyron, the Chiron retains the quad-turbo W16 engine, but power was upgraded to 1479 horsepower and 1600 Newton meters of torque. The Chiron's top speed is officially limited to 420 km per hour, which is a bit below the Veyron Supersport. Price 22 crore 26 lakhs 1,500 rupees, which is $3 million. It can go to 0 to 100 in 2.6 seconds. Production more than 500. Number 7 on our list is the Bugatti Veyron Supersport. The Bugatti Veyron may be 16 years old as of 2021, but it's still among the fastest supercars ever built. Actually, the record set by Bugatti in 2010 places the Veyron in 4th place with a top speed of 429 km per hour. This benchmark was achieved with a beefed up model called the Veyron Supersport. Bugatti built a special run of 30 cars called the World Record Edition to celebrate this event. But these vehicles are limited to 415 km per hour to protect the tires. The Supersport was also the most powerful version of the Veyron, with its 8-liter W16 rated at 1184 horsepower which is 197 horses more than the regular Veyron. Torque, it can produce from the 1106 up to 1500 Newton meters of torque. Price 20 crore 3,68,350 rupees, which is $2.7 million. Production in the world is only up to 30. Number 6 on our list is the Hennessy Venom GT. This might not be well known, but it's really cool looking and awesome and fast car. The Venom GT was introduced in 2011 and remained in production until 2017. Despite the seemingly long run, only 13 cars were built based on the Lotus Exige. The extensively modified Venom GT features a twin-turbo 7-liter V8 engine under the hood of this vehicle. Based on General Motors LS7 V8, the unit comes out up to 1244 horsepower and 1155 pound-feet of torque. Sorry, I can't give it in Newton meters, but if you can convert it, let me know in the comments down below. The Venom GT hit its highest top speed in February 2014 when it reached 434 km per hour on Kennedy Space Center shuttle landing strip in Florida. Although the speed was higher than the world record at the time, it did not qualify for the Guinness Book of Records because Hennessy's run was in a single direction. Also, the limited production run of only 13 cars went against Guinness rules. Price 8 crores 90 lakhs 52,600 rupees, which is $1.2 million. We can go to 0 to 100 in 2.7 seconds. Top 5 on our list. Koenigsegg Agera RS. The most powerful version of the Agera RS became the world's fastest car on November 2017 when Koenigsegg hit an average speed of 445 km per hour. The record lasted less than 2 years, but the Agera RS still owns a handful of benchmarks. Unlike Bugatti, Koenigsegg didn't build a limited edition version of the Agera RS to celebrate the record, but the RS itself was limited to only 25 examples. Horsepower 1341 HP, torque 1016 Newton meters. Price 18 crore 54 lakh 76,250 rupees, which is $2.5 million. It can go to 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.6 seconds and production 25. Top 4 on our list. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. The standard Bugatti Chiron is already among the fastest cars in the world with a top speed of 420 km per hour, but the French firm wanted to set a new record, so it created an even more potent beast. Bugatti took the slightly more powerful engine from the Bugatti Cento DHC, rated at 1578 horsepower, which is 99 more than the standard Chiron. Added longer gear ratios to the gearbox and crafted a revised aerodynamic package that increased the car's length by almost 10 inches. The modified car hit a top speed of 304 miles per hour on August 2. So it has crossed the 300 miles per hour barrier. To celebrate the event, Bugatti is building a production model based on the prototype called the Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus. This car is limited to 30 examples, enough to validate the speed record with the Guinness World Records. Torque 1600 Nm, engine quad turbo 8 liter W16, can go to 0 to 100 in 2.6 seconds. Price 28 crore 18 lakh 66,900 rupees, which is $3.8 million. So we have come to the top 3 on our list. Top 3 is Koenigsegg's Jesko Absolute. This is an awesome car. The Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute has been unveiled. It is the fastest Koenigsegg ever made, and the company will never endeavor to make a faster series production road car ever. Customers will be able to choose between the Jesko Absolute and the more track-oriented Jesco version that was presented a year ago. Every surface element of the Jesco Absolute has been purposefully constructed to reduce drag or surrounding turbulence around the car while increasing high-speed stability. Although just as powerful, the Jesco Absolute is a more seamless and stealthier interpretation of the Jesco. Its track focus sibling. The Jesco Absolute has a drag coefficient value of only 0.278 CD. The low drag in combination with a frontal area of 1.88 m2 in combination with a power level of minimum 1600 bhp make the Jesco Absolute destined to achieve higher, more extraordinary speeds than any Koenigsegg or any other full homologated car before. Top speed 531 km per hour, horsepower 1600, torque 1000 Nm, engine twin turbo V8, price 20 crore 76 lakhs 21,400 rupees, which is $2.8 million. You can go to 0 to 100 in 2.9 seconds. As you can see in the bottom picture, there's a spoiler, but on the top picture there's like a shark wing. So yes, was first built. It was a spoiler. It needed to go even faster, so they took the spoiler out and made a more aerodynamic version. Finally, top 2 on our list, the SSE Tuatara. It's not uncommon to see controversy surrounding top speed records, especially when it comes to breaking the once mythical and downright impossible 300 miles per hour barrier. It all started in October of 2020 when the SSE Tuatara supposedly hit a high speed of 532 km per hour, which would have made it the fastest car in the world by a long shot. It took more hours before people started pointing out discrepancies in the videos, and sure enough, what would have been a record-breaking run just couldn't be verified. SSE is still anxious to prove that the SSE Tuatara is the fastest car in the world and made a second attempt. Unfortunately, that second attempt wasn't as good as the first, but it did set an official record, pushing the Koenigsegg Agera RS out of the second position. Engine 5.9 liter flat plane crank V8, price 11 crore 86 lakhs 32,800 rupees, which is $1.8 million. Horsepower 1750 horsepower, torque 1735 Nm max. It can go to 0 to 100 in 2.5 seconds, which is an estimate. Production only 100. So finally, top 1 on our list, the Devil 16. The top speed of this car is 560 km per hour. 0 to 100 1.8 seconds. Engine 12.3 liter V16 engine. Wow. Power, this is going to be awesome. 5007 horsepower. Oh my god. Price, it is from 17 crore up to 40 to 50 crores on. So there's also a V8 version of this, which is in the right, and this is the car. This model has set the world record, and this is the two big silencers on it. So that's it for this video, friends, and hope you liked it. And if you want any other videos like this, please put it down in the comments below. And assuming thank you. Until the next video, peace.